At homemakers.com, you can use our 3D room planner to design the space of your dreams from the comfort of your couch. Start by giving your design project a name. Then, select the rough shape of the space you're designing. Don't worry, you can always customize or modify dimensions later. Now it's time to start adding furniture. Use the search menu to browse tens of thousands of pieces and find the perfect fit for your space. Just drag and drop from the search results right into your design. You can always reposition, remove, or replace pieces at any time. Try experimenting with different layouts. Continue adding to your space until it starts to look like your vision. Ready to move from floor plans to exploring your space? In the top right corner, switch the view from 2D to 3D. You can even adjust the height and viewing angle using the camera controls on the left. See a true eye-level view and get a sense for fit and flow in the real world. When you're finished, or just want to save your design so you can work on it later, click Save My Room in the top right. Give it a name and enter your email address, and we'll send you a link so you can keep working on your design at any time.